So this is a quick video showing Selvedge Guild's core functionality, which I've just finished implementing. So we start out here with the mannequin selection screen. There's only one to select right now. There'll be more in the future. So let's pick this. We move on to the pattern selection. This is where we actually kind of design the clothes that we want to create. There's a few options here. Again, more in the future. Then we move on to the cloth selection. Currently these are all randomly generated. Just pick one of these. Then we go to the pattern layout. These patterns can't overlap and they have to actually be on the cloth. And the final result depends on how these are laid out. So if I rotate this using the mouse scroll wheel, the front is going to have diagonal lines and the back is going to have vertical lines. And then we choose our chalk color. Since this is kind of a lighter color, I'm going to go with black so that way it shows up a little bit easier when this is traced. I'll hit continue and it'll calculate how many cloth units are used and actually outline the patterns. I begin cutting and I can move around with WASD. Come in here and try and cut out the pattern just using the mouse. Trying to go kind of quick. And if you try and proceed before, it says, no, is your cut complete? Well, no, it's not, because I still got this hole to the side over here. And if I go too fast, kind of like I'm doing now, and cut in past the line, that's going to show up on the final result, and it's going to reduce my quality level. And if I just try and cut corners, or not cut out the corners, I guess, it'll say, oh, too much excess cloth, you're not doing your job here. So I'll say, alright, I'll come in here, cut this out, and then it gives us a quality level of 81 since I cut so many corners. Then we come over here to our sewing machine, and again, I can rotate this with the mouse wheel until I actually put down the sewing foot, and then the mouse wheel actually sews on the cloth. You gotta have your mouse over the cloth or else it won't sew. And there'll be options for thread colors in the future. And right now to rotate this, I just click and drag. Okay. Try and sew this pretty quick here. Lift up on the handle. Move this around again, holding shift makes it spin faster. Make sure we try and get everything. Because again, if we try and proceed without it being done, it won't let us. Let's try and get this lined up. Okay. Oh, so I went off, so I have to untangle it. Just like a real sewing machine, if you go off the actual cloth, your threads are all going to get tangled up. So try and stay on the cloth, on the line here. Okay, let's see, that should do it. Proceed here, and we've got quality level 99 on our sewing. And then now we can see that on the front there, it's diagonal, as we pointed out before. And we turn around and look at the back, and the back is vertical. So that is kind of the core functionality. And thanks for watching.